What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building again. This video, real quick, I'm gonna show you the leopard clutch we just cut. Get everybody out the egg, get them all sexed, and put in their own individual tubs. But before we get into that, got a couple quick shout outs. Big shout out to the homie Balls and Strikes Pythons. Hopefully it's getting that joint. Magnet shout out to the homie. Bam. And then got some mail from Daddy Daughter Reptiles. We got some dope stickers and business cards. So y'all make sure y'all go give them a follow and all that. Dope little stickers. All right. That being said, man, kick that intro. Alright, so that's the whole clutch right there, man. Everybody done finally shed out and all that. So, I'm gonna put them all in their own little tubs. I took them as soon as they come out of the egg. I put them on the cocoa block. So, you know, it's the chunkiest, it's the best. And it, you know, gets them, everybody shedding all good. So we're gonna start out with this little one since it's all separated. And it looked like just a little normal. Pretty nice, bright normal. And the mom of this clutch is 100% het albino, so it might just be, you know, the influence. This one might have been lucky and got the albino gene. Let's see. Female. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's no peens popping. I'll call that a girl. That's number one. Alright, so baby number two. Another normal. Another pretty nice little normal. It's not as bright as the other one was, but it's pretty nice, man. Like no eyes, alien eyes or keyholes or whatever. Some little ones there, but they all like weird. Some up by the neck. Cool little head stamp. Let's see. Look like another female. Pink all through, no red. Oops, I'm not even on camera. So we'll call that a female too. Alright, so for baby number three, we'll go with this one because it's on top. I'm gonna call that one a leopard. Oops, I'm not even in camera. I'm gonna call that a leopard all day. Cool little pattern by the tail. And it's all wonky and broken up. Like reaches over the dorsal and breaks up and make these weird like hieroglyphs. I love leopard, man. And then you get these cool ass little blushing spots. Ooh, excuse me. These cool little blushing spots. And head stamp. To me, it looked like a candle. Flame. Like a flame on a candle. But people see what they want. To me, that's the telltale sign of a leopard right there. That flame. Let's see what we got. Hopefully I can keep it on camera because I gotta look around the camera. Let's see. Making it hard, you know. I feel like this one gonna be a boy. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's red right there. Call that a little boy. I can't get to pop out. But I'm pretty sure that's a boy. So that's 3. Alright, so for the next one, we'll go for this little one. That's reaching all out of the tub and all that. That one I'm gonna call another leopard. Again, that little candle flame. A little different than the first one, but you know, you can see it. I know you can see that one. But this is more of what I like to see in leopards. This crazy pattern with like eyes and keyholes everywhere. That's what I like in the leopard, me personally. And then this color tends to get like a fatigue green kind of to it as it gets older. And then the blacks just, they stay super black. And then, like I said, the little blushing spots like there and there. But I just like the craziness, like all these holes everywhere. And blushing, little island in the middle. Tail stripe. Leopard's pretty awesome, man. See what we got. Be a girl and I'll keep you. Oh, it's a boy. I don't know if you can see them 2 little peens popping out right there, but it's a male. So he'll probably be available. And again, he's off 50% albino. All right, number 5, we're gonna go for this one over here. I like this one a lot too. It's not as many holes and everything, but it's kind of what I like in leopards. Tail stripe, and of course that candle flame. Super black, and like I said, the color gets like a green, like a fatigue green over time, you know, as they get a little older. Got a couple leopards in my collection. No females, so I'm hoping for a female. I like her eye stripes too. She got nice thick eye stripes. If it's a girl. Let's see. Come here. Move the camera, my bad, y'all. I think that might be a boy. The red over there. They're just not popping, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Give him a little bit, of course, and try him again, but another nice leopard. 50% head albino. Last but not least, number 6. I think this is the one that just shed, if I'm not mistaken. See the shed back there. Another beautiful leopard, dude. I love the crazy pattern on these things, man.
course. Of course. Come on, cooperate with the camera, young. That candle flame. This boy right here is super dark. Or girl. Hopefully girl. Super dark, man. Like head and all. So. Let's see. Not as long as it. Well, yeah, that tail stripe's still there. Let's see what we got. It's not relaxing. You never want to force it out, you just want them to relax. And then, you know, do what you normally do. She's coming against me. You better be a girl putting me through all this. No offense to the ladies out there. I don't know again because it's red in there. But nothing's popping, so I don't know. We'll see. Give it a couple days. A couple meals. I'm gonna set them up now and see if they'll take some food, man. Alright, so real quick, I want to do a quick little questionnaire real quick for those out there who listen and watch my videos. I bought this little dude as a arroyo, and based on pretty much the only people I see messing with it, Ryan and Ben from R&B. You got a lot of the signs that they be talking about, like the dog bones there and all along the dorsal with like the holes in the middle of them. That, and then like these putting green, like alien heads with the like islands floating around in them, which are pretty cool, like that. Keyhole in it, nice and blushed out. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up. This dude's super dark, like overall. The blacks are nice and black, and he's like a rich color. So nice tail stripe. And then those, like I said, the little islands and putting greens. A lot of flaming coming up, so let me know, man. Arroyo or no-yo.